What's up everyone, it's Dave Gordon from Both Lighting USA, and today I got a quick tip for you. This is how to use DMX on your S6 or S4 uplight. So real quick, let me show you guys what I have here in the picture. Of course, on the right side, we have an S4, but you know that the S4 and S6 screen and buttons are exactly the same. So this tutorial works for both the S4 and the S6. In the middle there, that's our DMX Transmit Pro that we sell on the website. We definitely recommend you get our Transmit Pro because it is about 3 times stronger than the Donner DMX transmitters or the Chinley ones from Amazon. But keep in mind, if you do have those, they will work right away with any of the fixtures we sell that have wireless DMX. Of course, with the S4 and S6, you do have the added benefit of having a wired DMX port. So you could, of course, always just plug from your DMX software right into the S4 or S6. But in this case, we have wireless DMX. I'm sure most of you guys are using wireless DMX, especially for uplights. And on the left side there, I have Sound Switch running. That's my favorite DMX solution of choice. And instead of the Sound Switch Control 1 right now, I just have the interface cable, the little interface cable right there. So it's got DMX on one side and it's got USB on the other side, computer to transmitter. Let's get up close with the S4 and let's take a look at the settings that we need. There are 3 specific important settings that you need in order to use DMX. So first thing, of course, let's turn it on, flip it on at the bottom. And when you purchase this fixture, it's probably going to come just like this on A001, and then you have your wireless DMX signal right here. This is set to red right now. And by the way, this is a perfect time to put up a chart on the screen because if you're using our Transmit Pro, it actually goes by ID number, not by colors, but the ID numbers equal a specific color. So this chart will help you to set your wireless DMX color right here to match your transmitter. But we'll get to that. That's actually step 3. Let's start with step 1 and 2. Let's hit the enter button and you have A001. This is your DMX address. I know that with our diamond file, we use channels 6 and 16. So let's use channel 6. Let's use the up button and change it to channel 6. And this is determined by whatever you tell the DMX software your channel is for this uplight. If you're using our diamond file, we use 6 and 16, so you can alternate your uplights around the room. Then we can hit menu and we need to go to set. We need to go to set right here and we need to switch the DMX channel right there. Let's press enter and this is your DMX channel mode. You have options for 6 channel or 10 channel. Again, this is determined by your software, but our diamond file uses 10 channel mode. So let's set that and press enter. Now we've got your DMX address set. That's over here in DMX 512. We've got your DMX channel ID. It actually indicates in the bottom corner that you're in 10 channel mode. And the last thing we need to do is set your wireless DMX ID, or right here, your wireless DMX signal. Now let me get a little bit closer here because I know that we, in my company here, we use ID2. So I'm going to go over onto our transmitter here. Now, of course, the first thing you want to do is set your P, your power level, all the way up. So P3 is the one you want. And then your ID. I use ID2 in my company, so I'm going to switch to ID2. And I know, and I'll put the chart even back up on the screen, but I know that ID2 means green. ID2 translates to green. So what we got to do is we got to flip through until we get to green. I know that's literally the second one because red is 1, green is 2. And I don't know if you saw it, but we just got light. And this is blue right here because I have a static scene set right now. So if I go on my computer and I hit static green, we got green. If I hit red, we got red. So once again, a little recap for you guys. 3 different settings that you need to get DMX running. Number 1 is your DMX 512 right here. That's your DMX address. Set that exactly to what's on the fixture. Hit menu, go over to settings, hit enter, DMX channel, hit enter, and this is where you set your channel mode, 6 or 10 channel. I know we use 10 channel. Press enter to confirm, press menu to back out, press menu to back out. Let's go back over to DMX 512. You have to be on this screen for the fixture to know that it needs to be receiving DMX. This is the one, this is the DMX screen. And finally, step 3, your wireless DMX signal. Use the chart if you're using our transmitter. We're on green and we got signal. Thanks so much for watching.